Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix lagging and stuttering issues in Marvel Rivals on PC. If you're experiencing lag or stuttering while playing Marvel Rivals, the first thing you should do is make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. You can do this by going to the AMD or NVIDIA website and downloading the latest drivers for your graphics card. Next, you'll want to close any background programs that might be running. Open Task Manager and close anything that you don't need running while playing Marvel Rivals. If you're still having problems, you can try reducing the graphics settings in the game. Lowering settings like texture quality, anti-aliasing, and post-processing effects can improve performance. The Windows game bar and other overlay programs like Discord or GeForce Experience can also cause lag. Try turning these off to see if it improves your game's performance. Make sure you have a stable and high-speed internet connection. A wired connection is always better than a wireless connection for gaming. Corrupted game files can also cause problems. To verify the integrity of your game files on Steam, right-click on Marvel Rivals in your library, select Properties, then Local Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Sometimes a simple power cycle can fix software glitches that might be causing the lag. Completely turn off your computer and then turn it back on. If none of the above solutions work, you can try reinstalling the game. Uninstall Marvel Rivals and then reinstall it from a fresh download. There are also some additional troubleshooting steps you can try. You can disable VSync in the game settings, set the game's priority to high in Task Manager, and use a GPU monitoring tool to check if your graphics card is overheating or overworking. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.